back. We're back, everybody. Doing some fishing. We got the rods chilling. We got Justin out here. We're at a spot. That's it's a new spot I've never been to. Hopefully it's gonna be good. We're gonna throw some swim jigs, hopefully some top water. You can't probably hear me with that mask on. Yeah, I done lost my train of thought.
Gotta throw the Crocs on.
Croc gang is coming strong. I got the white ones. He's about to throw his on. Thanks for clicking on the video, guys. Buddy's got a Kajay. You see that? Daiwa Kajay. I wanted one of these. He got it before me, so I'm gonna break it today. Nah, but all seriously, this guy, we're gonna throw some swim jigs, some crankbaits, hopefully some top water finesse stuff. We're gonna catch something. We're not getting skunked, guaranteed. So thank you for clicking on the video, everybody. Buddy's got the bull shad in his back. I see that. We're gonna go catch some fish.
Fish today.
Hopefully. Also forgot to mention, I had filmed the video with the new GoPro. It was a pretty good video too. I shot it all in 4K and realized my computer doesn't really handle 4K very well. So we're gonna go ahead and down-res it to 1080p, which is what I was shooting on before, but the quality is still gonna be a lot better because I'm shooting in 240, so it should be really smooth. GoPro's got stabilization, so no more shaking, no more rattling. Tell me what you guys think about the new quality that you're gonna see here in a little bit. I got two GoPros, one on me, which is the new one on Justin, which is the older one that you guys are used to. Two different perspectives of people catching fish today, so it should be a good day. My knees, man. 22 and my knees are going out already. What does that say? We've got ourselves a nice chatterbait tied up. I got a Texas rig, I got a Ned rig. I've got topwater, whopper plopper, and I think that's it. I don't know. We're gonna get something. I think I've drug this intro out long enough. What are the weeds?
You're lying.
Because otherwise I'm thinking swim jig for sure, chatterbait for sure. I don't know. I'm gonna just see what they want, but I'm starting out with that whopper plopper. Still trying to get the first topwater. A freaking Senko too. That'd be deadly. I wonder if he'd eat it if I whopper plopped him.
First cast of the day. Throwing the nice headbanger lure with the Kraken craw. Look at that. Nice and pretty. It's actually dumb how good this looks in the water. It's actually insane. Yeah. I just got followed. Yeah.
There he is. Dude, I was looking to check if that thing was back. I go to pop my rod to bring him, and it's just heavy. First one.
Literally just turn on the
There we go.
He hit that hard for being a smaller guy. It sounded like you had a 5 just crush you.
You heard that line squealing? Yeah. Get out of there.
Right out.
Right out. Little one pounder, but we'll find some bigger ones today. That's for sure. That came on a Rage Menace, or I mean a Rage Bug Strike King. Little green pumpkin. Don't have too many of these with me right now. I gotta pick some more up, but these are some nice trailers right here. Or not, I'm talking about trailers. These are some nice things to flip in Texas rig. Nice, what am I trying to say? Jesus, dude. These are some nice lures. Some nice soft plastics for Texas rigging. Jesus, that was that hard to get that out. Oh my God. Came right on. Get your ass up here. Little guy. Did you see that? Dude, I literally, that spot right there, cast it. As soon as it hit the bottom, he came out, smacked it, went back in, came out, smacked it.
I just looked, I saw you just yank his ass right out.
Got him, a little guy. Number 2 for the, he's real little. I didn't mean to set the hook that hard, dude. I was excited, sorry. They're in these mats though, I'll tell you that much. Get your ass back in there.
Hanging out by some bluegill here. I just saw that bass. There he is. Fuck. Look at what he did to this thing.
He destroyed it. Hey, we're getting action, boys. All right. Got a frog on, Spro frog on. I think he's one of the bronze on. I don't know. Who cares? It's a Spro frog, that's all you need to know. Yeah, she's more sensitive than a Loomis, I think. Yeah. Than that E6X, I should say. Oh my God. Took it hard, then it dipped. So he hit it real hard and then dipped into the reeds. Dude, I need one of these right now.
Did it feel like you got
Holy
blasted?
shit. I think it's more sensitive than my Avid X. It's definitely lighter.
You want it now, don't you?
I do. He came right back. Look at him.
Marty, give me it now. All right.
Damn, this is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. Broke off. I'm literally in the middle of his bed. I see him look at it. I feel doom. Let him eat it. Doom, doom. Set the hook. Pressure gone instantly.
How'd it feel though?
Great. Losing the fish felt great. There we go. That's that one that was being stubborn. Got him. Look at how I hooked him. Right in the roof. There's like bass that they keep coming out. I saw like 3 of them when I walked up, and I know there's one there and there's one back there, so I know there's 3 different ones. Little guy. Let him right back on the bed. Another one. And drop right there. Eat it, mother. Eat that shit right now.
Oh yeah. That's a bucket mount.
Got him. Get your ass in here.
Flip him. That's a good one.
Get in here.
That's a
Chubby guy.
Is that a spotted bass?
No, it's just a vibrant one. That's a nice one though.
So weird.
That's a nice one. She's still filled with eggs, aren't she? Get out of there.
Got that on camera. Is that a bass right there? Oh, he's a bass. Oh no. Oh no. You motherfucker. Yeah, you keep looking forward over there.
Cranked it. Get up here right now. Finally. Figured them out. I mean, it's not hard to figure them out. It was pretty easy actually. There's a lot of cheese, as you can see, and there's some pockets. In every pocket we come through, we cast into it, and usually there's a bass there. just because they're hiding in all this cheese. This is the only cover that they have in this entire body of water. But hey, another fish. We're gonna take a lunch break here in a little bit. And Justin will keep losing fish, I'll keep catching. He said, God damn it. Get your ass up here. Get your ass up here. There we go. Seen his ass. Where you casted, where you brought it out, he was right there. He was looking at your bait. Cast it in there, seen him come from under the mat, swim right to it, hit it, just engulfed the whole thing. There we go. Might be the last fish at the spot. We're about to head, get some food, and that's not a bad one though. Healthy guy. Let's let him back. Go right back over there, Scud. Oh, comes off, could you imagine?
Get your ass back here. Thank you for being the first.
Justin just got one. We came to a new spot. Didn't really think it was going to be that good. But he saw one follow his chatterbait, and I got 3%. Also, guys, take a look at this casual dead 4-pounder just rotting on the shore right here. You see that thing? Oh my God, it's fat and it stinks. All right, well, we have made it to the last spot of the day. It's hot. It's like 87 right now. And it's like 5 o'clock. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. Some fish were caught, and that's good. We're gonna hit this one spot here, and we're gonna call it a day. I think I'm gonna throw a frog because there's a lot of slop on there. There's a lot more than when I was here last time.
We're gonna go back to the frog.
Stay tuned, everybody. There we go, baby. Buddy hit it right on the fall. He's pulling. Get out of that grass. Get out of that grass. Get out of that grass. It's not big, he just buried himself in that grass and they get like 3 times as heavy. Dude, he hit it on the fall. Went to go reel in, it's heavy.
Not bad.
That's not a bad one.
Nice easy flip in here.
Hey buddy.
That's a nice fish.
Nice and healthy.
That will work.
Look at how fat he is still. Nice. Nice.
Yes, sir.
See, you see that where it's like real shallow and then gets
drop-off.
deep? That's the drop off. I cast it a little bit past that, right to the thing sticking out, and he was literally ate it instantly.
There we go. Pond 3 of the day. There we go. Oh my God, Nick.
Keep this shit tension. Keep that shit tension. That is a giant. Keep him out of that grass too. That is a giant. Horse him. You can horse him a little bit. I'll land him.
Oh my God.
That's a giant.
I'm gonna need your help.
Pull him. Keep pulling. Horse him.
I'm gonna man him in here, all right?
That's a giant. That's a giant. Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth.
Oh my God.
That's a giant. Are you kidding?
That's
Look.
That's the PB. That's the
Look
PB.
at him.
That's the PB.
Look at the face
the
on him,
PB.
dude. Spawned out female. Are you kidding me? I got a scale right here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Did you get it on camera?
Oh my God.
You're lying.
When I saw that jump, I saw him getting ready to hit. How big?
310. Tell me why I thought it was like a 6 when it jumped. I was like, what?
Didn't it look like it?
Yes. Yeah. Are you kidding me? What did I say? I said I'm not gonna bring the big camera. Hopefully we catch a giant. Bucket mouth? Are you kidding me?
Get out of here, giant. Are you? Still recording. That's it. Yes, sir.